How you doing, guys? Chris here. So NASA has announced a date for Ingenuity's first flight on Mars. If you check NASA's public calendar, you'll see April 19th as listed as live broadcast for Mars helicopter's first flight. NASA's website also indicates the 19th as being Ingenuity's first flight on Mars with an Eastern Standard Time of 6:15 broadcast. You'll also be able to tune in live to YouTube to watch the broadcast, but live is kind of an overstatement since it takes 20 minutes for the broadcast to reach Earth and it's only a 1-minute flight. We're one step closer to Ingenuity conducting its flight path and executing its mission to help the Perseverance rover find signs of ancient life on Mars. But that won't happen on this flight. This time around, the Ingenuity drone will simply be doing a hover test of 3 to 6 meters from the ground. We're only 2 short Martian sunsets away from one of the most historic flights in human history. Stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.